सर के बारे में बोलना है तो बहुत कुछ बोलना है एक्चुअली। कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ आई डोंट नो, बट ठीक है। 4.5 साल या 4.5 years back I came to Anderson, and for him I got an opportunity to complete my MBA because हम जब यहाँ आए थे that time my MBA was just started. So without his support it would never be possible for me to complete my MBA. Not only that, I have seen him as a not only as a boss, he is like a father-like figure to me. बाकी सबके लिए सर एक बॉस है या सर है, but to me he is not only sir or boss, he is my mentor, and obviously I always look up to him when I'm in problem. I remember a particular day that was it really touched my heart. I was in lot of pain for my gastric. As you know, I always suffer from gastric pain. So that time also I was having that problem. So I was not in the office. I took a leave that day, but due to some emergency, I need to come out and meet Sir and Ojaji because we need to go to Farukdar's house. So we three of us went there. While coming back, my throat was totally dried up because of the pain, gastric pain. एंड मेरे को पानी पीना था, तो पानी नहीं मिल रहा था वहाँ पर। तो ओझा जी को हम बोले थे कि ओझा जी जस्ट मेरे को एक पानी चाहिए, अब देखिए। तो आई डिडंट से एनीथिंग टू सर, आई वाज जस्ट टॉकिंग टू ओझा जी। ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आई सॉ कि सर रास्ते क्रॉस करके एक छोटा सा पान की दुकान से ही bought a bottle of water to me. I mean, I was like, wow, he's such a. I'm sure it's not only for me. अगर कोई मेरे जगह कोई और भी होता, he must have done that because he is a very nice person, and I'm lucky. I'm very lucky to get him as my mentor, as my sir, and I like always. I sit beside him. I see him like I see him doing all. I mean, I have seen him under a lot of pressure. I have seen him like everything, like whatever the hurdles come in life in last 4.5 years. I have like whatever I have seen, it is like always a smile on his face. I've never seen him that because of some pressure he is misbehaving with someone. I have seen him like he handled the situation so nicely, so smoothly. Even at times of my personal problems, when I sit with him, I always open myself in front of him because the comfort which I get from him, the way he understands me and my problem, I have not only mine. Why I'm talking only about me? I have seen him solving problems of Annie, Faruta's wife. There are so many lot of. I have seen him talking to those people who have like after some time left Anderson, but I seen him. I have seen that he is always there beside them. I mean, I cannot. It is not something which I can complete within 5 minutes or 2 minutes. I have lots and lots to say about Sir. Only thing is that I am really concerned about his health. I always pray to God that whatever it comes, like whatever the pressure and the problem is, I always want him to be, like he should be fine because he needs to take care of himself. And I seriously think that you are very lucky, Rishika, to get a father like him, and everybody is not so lucky as you are. And lastly, wish you a very happy birthday, sir, and may God bless you, and we all love you. Thank you.